Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial will be on an eyebrow tutorial. I tried doing my eyebrows using the eyebrow pomade and the eyebrow pencil, but the pomade that I bought is the Essence one and it was not showing off on my skin, so I had to only use the pencil. And I only did like one eyebrow, like this side, because yo guys, like it's hard for me to do my eyebrows while I'm filming because like I have to hold my mirror and I'm not used to doing my eyebrows while I'm holding the mirror. So but I feel like as time goes on, maybe by then I'll be used to having to do my eyebrows on camera and holding the mirror while I'm doing that. So maybe I'll have an updated eyebrow tutorial, so I'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows, like on both eyes, not just on one eye. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something from it. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Hi. So to start off guys, I'm gonna start by brushing up my eyebrows, and you have to trim them, but I've already trimmed mine, so I apologize. So do like so, and then you start. So what I like to do is I like to start at the front. At the front you have to go like lightly, so you don't want to press too hard. So you just start off lightly at the front, and then as you approach the middle, that's when you can press the product in. Like so, and you just follow your natural eyebrow shape, and then I stop there. So now at the bottom, what I like to do is at the bottom I don't start like right at the front, I start like a bit back. So I start usually here, as you can see, and going and following my natural eyebrow shape. Like that. And now I'm just gonna fill in. Just gonna fill them in like so. And I don't touch the front usually because I have enough hair at the front of my eyebrows, so I don't touch it. So now to blend in the product, I use this spoolie brush. The pencil also comes in with the spoolie brush, and I also have like a separate spoolie brush, but I'll just use the pencil one. So you start at the front, you brush in the product, so you see that line is gone, and go in like so. I hope you guys are seeing, because I'm not used to, I've never filmed myself doing eyebrows, so this is the first time and it's kinda hard. So yeah, so that is it you guys. So the real work begins now. So what I use to clean up my brows, I use the LA Girl concealer in the shade Chestnut, because that one is the one that is close to my skin tone. At the bottom I use the concealer, but at the top I use my foundation because I don't want the halo looking eyebrows. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some on my hand like so, and this is the brush that I use, the concealer brush. You can find them at Clicks. You can just ask for a concealer brush. So yeah, so I like to start at the front, and I hope you guys can see like so, and take your time, like you don't need to rush. And now I just clean up. So if you are happy with your thingies, and make sure that you don't apply too much product on the brush so that you avoid having to go back. So now I am just blending out the concealer. And you can also prime your eyelids while you're doing so for your eyeshadow. So yeah. So if you're not happy, you can always go back. I mean, you can always go back and take your time. And that is it for the bottom eyebrows. I mean the bottom, not bottom eyebrows. So now for the top part, I'm gonna use my foundation. The top part for me is a challenge now. I don't know why, but I tend to cut my eyebrows like at the tail, and they don't look nice. So I hope I don't ruin this, because if I do, pray for me. So what I like to do is I don't start at the front. I start at the same position I did with the pencil. So I just do like so. I place the brush like this, flat on my skin, and oh, my phone. Sorry guys. Like that, and just blend out the foundation, and yeah, oh, the top part, guys. So And with any leftovers that are on the brush, I just go like so with the front. So I just blend out the foundation, and yeah, you can even use your fingers, especially like at the front. You can just use your fingers at the tail, and yeah, and you can also go in with the spoolie brush to make sure that everything is perfect, even though it's far from perfect when it comes to eyebrows. And yeah, that is it for the eyebrow. So this is how I do my eyebrows. So